Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes weekly webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today from our friends at Hunkydory Crafts, I've got the most adorable kit. This is going to be so entertaining for your winter card making, you guys. This is pop-up boxes card making kit, and it makes adorable little card boxes just like this one. They lay flat for mailing, okay? And then when you take it out of the envelope, they spring up and they're dimensional like this. They have all these little acetate strips that are holding things up and they shimmer. This one's got little bees on it and honeycomb. And this is going to be our giveaway for this episode. So if you stick around, I'll tell you how one lucky viewer can win this card to keep or share with a friend. So come play with us. All right, I've got my little pop-up card right here. Let's go through the kit and see what's in it. So Hunkydory is great about putting instructions, little pictures on here to help you go through it, but I'm going to assemble one of these as well so you can see exactly how it's made. So these are all the little pieces that are going to sort of shimmer and shake from the little strips of acetate we're going to do, and you get 2 sheets of those. Okay, these are backwards. Here we go. You also get envelopes to put them in. Okay, so here are some more punch out pieces for the little acetate strips. And then you get a sheet of clear acetate that you're going to cut into little strips. You can just take scissors and cut them, and they suggest just under an inch, about 3/4 of an inch wide, or you can just take your scissors or your paper trimmer to cut this into strips. And man, these are just backwards like crazy. Okay, here we go. You're going to get 2 of each of these. So this one is so cute. It made sort of like an airplane themed one, and you get 2 of those. This is one that has a beautiful garden theme. And let me show you this one. Debbie made this sample. It's so cute. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit on this one. It's got little roses and little birds, and then she took right down here along these little flaps, she just added little strips of pink jewel border dazzle stickers. And then on the centers of the flowers, you'll notice there's a little shimmer there. She took little pink round jewel dazzle stickers. She added those to the centers, okay? Using a little jewel picker to lift those off the sheet is really handy, and I'll list all of those in the supplies down below the video. And so yeah, so cute. And if you can see here, they're just attached to these little strips, and then the strips are attached down in there. I'm going to show you how to put the whole mechanism together. It's really simple. Extra sticky tape, very necessary for this project, so definitely check that out down below as well. All right, so that's that cute little garden themed one. So cute. It's called Garden Rose. And then we've got this one, Butterfly Meadow. And I'm going to assemble this one with you guys today. So we're going to go through it together. Get 2 of those. And then this one is so cute, Awesome Astronauts. You get 2 of these. And this is one Debbie made as well. I just love this one. It's so cute. For the space lover, for little kids, whoever. And Debbie embellished that with our silver and gold. I think she just used, yeah, she used both silver and gold Star Dazzle stickers. So cute. I love this one. All right, so you get 2 of those. And then this one is Birthday Bonanza. Okay, so it's got a lot of birthday gifts, shapes, and then the beautiful bees right here, so cute. And that's the one that is our giveaway. So how this works, you guys, for our giveaway, we are promoting our Paper Wishes YouTube channel. So if you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode channel, all you need to do is click a link right here that says YouTube, and you need to click on that, and that'll take you right over to our Paper Wishes webisode page. Excuse me, yes, our Paper Wishes YouTube page. And then you would like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And then we're going to choose somebody's comment, we'll reply to it and say, hey, you're the winner. And we'll give you instructions on how to claim this card, and I'll send it to you in some happy mail. That would be fun to get in a winter day. All right, so let's check out how we're going to make these, you guys. So what you're going to start off with, we'll probably need to zoom back. We're going to need I'm going to roll up our sleeves. All right, so this is what the sheets look like, of course. So we're going to just punch out these 2 base pieces. Okay, there's 2 on each sheet. There we are. And then we've got all of these little triangle pieces, and those are the little pieces that you're putting right here, these little metallic pieces to cover that. And these pieces right here just get folded back, and then you put those little triangles on there. All right, so I'm going to leave those there for now. But the first thing you're going to do is find, there's a little notch. Here it is. There's a little notch right here, okay? And there's a little fold right here. So this is, I forgot to mention, on the backs of these, you guys, there is a little spot where you can write a little note, okay? So that's important because your box is ultimately going to be taped together like this. So the instructions sheet tells us, let me grab that, where to put the tape right here, right? So, but we're not going to, I've gone ahead and put it there just to save us a little time. We're going to fold that just like that. And then there's another one on this side, which is the front of the box. And we're going to fold that like that, all right? And then that's just to kind of get us to know where we are. That helped me. And then I put the box like this. And then there's this little piece right here, this little notch. And what you're going to do is you're going to just put the notch over this piece right here, which also has a notch at the top. And you're just going to interlock them like that. Now you know you've got it going right if, when you're done with that, these 2 little pieces line up to make that back piece, okay? So that's important, because when I was first following the directions, I was like, wait a minute, how do I do this? So that's how you know the direction is correct. All right, so we're not going to tape down our pieces just yet, all right? We're going to do some other things, and that would be put some tape on the backs of these little wonky little triangles, okay? So I went ahead and just did that to save us some time. I'm going to take that, and then we're going to take our pokey tool. Now, it's really nice once you get your extra sticky tape on there, okay? And then you're just going to burnish it down with your finger. And then I like the pokey tool. It's very, very helpful. And you just sort of scab. You're just going to stab those little backing pieces, and they're just going to peel off. One thing, if you try to just use your fingernail to pull those off, it's very frustrating. All right, so we've got that done. And then what we're going to do is just take these pieces right here. We're going to fold them kind of out. We're going to splay them outwards, just like that, on both sides. And that will make our box look pretty, like that. And it would even be nice to take a bone folder and go over those to make sure they really lay down. Now we're just going to take this piece right here, and it's got our sticky tape on it, and we're just going to place that right there. Now, why use sticky tape instead of glue or a tape runner or something? And that's because this is a durable, scoreable cardstock, and it's got a finish on it that is kind of slick and shiny. And glue tends to just peel off of it a little bit. Honestly, I haven't tried a tape runner, so you could try a tape runner. But definitely you want to use extra sticky tape to assemble the boxes and keep these pieces together, okay? That's really important because glue just does not hold it, and I can almost guarantee you that extra sticky tape, which is tacky, wouldn't hold that, because there's a lot of pressure going on there. Like, these just want to break free. So yeah, the extra sticky tape is a good idea. All right, so the next thing we're going to do, this is where we are, okay, and then you would cover all of those little bits with those triangles. The other thing that's on the sheet are these little pieces right here, and these are kind of like little cross beams, okay? They're little beams that are going to hold the structure together, and there's 4 of them. Okay, so I'm going to cut out 2 at a time. And you're going to take these and you're just going to fold them like this and like this. Okay, oop, blurry. Okay, you're going to make them look like this. All right, and then what you're going to do is, and I'm going to magically show you, woo-hoo-hoo. Here's one that's already done. All right, and I've put those little cross beam pieces right here. All right, now let's finish it right here. So, taking my little cross piece right there, and I've already got extra sticky tape right there, and you want to put it where the fold is, right next to that fold. And then there's a little box right here. Let's see if I can show it to you on this piece. Right here, it says tape, tape. And then over here, it says tape, tape. So they just really made it obvious for you. So we're gonna take this, and these little pieces right here, the tabs, are gonna face in. And we're gonna attach one right there, and we're gonna attach one right there. Okay, so it goes like this. And I did this one already, and I did these. So that's all there is to it, okay? So let's turn this one over, the giveaway one. See how that looks? And that's gonna help it so that it squishes down for mailing, and then when you take it out, it pops up and keeps its shape. That's what those are for. We're getting very engineering here. Pretty cool. All right. So let me make sure I got these going in the right direction though. All right, so I'm looking at that one, yes, yes. All right, that's the way you want them to look. All right, so now we are going to take our little acetate strips. See if you can see these. And I've cut them 3/4 of an inch wide. I think sometimes you can cut them thinner than that, but you want them to be thick enough so that the little pieces that you're going to put on top, which some of them are quite large, you don't want them to bend over, all right? You want them to stay nice and firm. And I've taken a little extra sticky tape and I've put it on the bottom. Now, there on these butterflies, there's a right side and a wrong side. The right side has gold foiling on it. We can catch that. Ooh. The wrong side doesn't have gold foiling on it. So you want to put the little acetate strip on the side that's a little more boring and doesn't have the pretty gold on it. All right, so we're going to assemble these while this is open because we're attaching some of them here, so it just makes it easier. So you want to make these long enough, these strips long enough, where you can attach them, those little cross beams like that. All right, and here's another one. You can attach them like here. You just want your butterflies to fly. Here's one that's kind of going side to the side, and I have my extra sticky tape on it. Oops, turn it over, Lene. And we're just gonna rip this off. There we go. Whoops. If it won't peel off on one side, just start with the other side. All right, and then you can just sort of see how you're going to arrange these, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to stick this backing together, all right? Because we want to make sure we get our butterflies all going in the right direction. There we go. Gonna go like this, line up those edges. There we go. See, I just noticed that this butterfly looks kind of wonky. There we go. So we'll get him going in the right direction. So you can stick these to extend up. But here's the thing, you want to make sure that this all fits in the envelope. So don't get too high with your butterflies. So I'm just going to stick my butterflies. You can stick them on the back part here. Once again, I did it so that the shiny side wasn't. I want to make sure that they have the gold foiling on them. That's important. All right, and then we want to stick them like this. And another one that you can put here. And it just makes it easier if, like, you can arrange them just like that. Put another one on here. This one can go a little lower. This one, kind of like the idea of them going at different heights. Go. Like that. And then this one, I can even take and put a little bit of foam tape on there. And then when we attach this front piece, then I can go ahead and put the foam tape on one, and he can just have a different look to him. Come on. There we go. I think these things are so fun to embellish, like Debbie did, and add ribbon and jewel dazzles to. Like, you could even add one just to the boxed front like that. And then you could add a little bow. I'm going to put my bow. Now you could just use hot glue or a little like glue dot right there. Could go right there. And then don't forget, we've got our little sayings and our little greetings on here. And this one could be thinking of you for a special friend, happy birthday. And with these, you can just take a little bit of foam tape and then just put them like this. And then you could put it right here. And it comes with so many greetings that you could put more back here. And then you're just going to fold it down. So as you can see, these are really fun to put together and take a little bit of time and a little bit of engineering and little bits of sticky tape here and there. But I think they're a lot of fun. So definitely check out the money saver we have on this kit. I think Paulette's putting some extra goodies with it that we used here, so definitely check those out. Don't forget that this one, this little bee one, is going to be our giveaway. So definitely go to Paper Wishes YouTube channel, like, comment, and subscribe to enter to win that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had fun putting this together, and we'll see you next time.